Okay, so let's start without wasting the time. Download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting all the premium study material, current affairs, job alert, daily quizzes, everything what you require for JAIIB, CAIIB and various banking exams. Okay, so download it now only. Subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting all the updates. See, this series, presently this series is going on in this channel only. So subscribe to this channel immediately. You'll get all the updates for all the banking exams over here. Okay, these are the two new batches. See here, BFM has already started and retail is on December 5th. Okay, so join this batch ASAP. Those who have missed this BFM, what you can do is you can definitely go for it again, because you have the recorded videos available. Okay, more on that later. Okay, let's start with the objective questions first to warm you up. Okay, so give me the answers now. Who can give me the answer for this? Okay, loan against balances held in FCNRB accounts can be permitted up to 50 lakhs with 35% margin, 100 lakhs with 35% margin, USD 1 million without any margin, any amount subject to usual margin requirements. So what is the answer for this? What do you think? You might have handled this FCNRB accounts. What are FCNRB, right? Foreign currency non-resident bank accounts. Okay, this is B is very important. Okay, so foreign currency non-resident, these accounts are in what? These accounts are always in foreign currency only. They are never in rupees, never in rupees. Okay, in rupees. So these are always in foreign currency only. Which are the accounts in rupees then? Type in the comment section. Which are the foreign accounts in rupees? Correct. Type fast, type fast. Which are the foreign accounts in rupees? Yes, they are NRI and correct. NRE and NRO, right? NRE and O. Got it? Correct. Everyone should type. See here, only 2-3 days are remaining now. So everyone must try to answer as much as possible. Now for this, what is the answer for this? If anything is somebody puts an FCNRB account with you or FD with you. What is FCNRB? It's always an FD. It's never a savings account. Okay, it's an FD. Okay, and NRE NRO are NRE NRO are okay. What are the types of accounts available in NRE NRO? Everyone, type fast. In NRE NRO, what are the types of accounts available? Type fast. Type fast. Is it savings or is it current? Or is it FD in NRE NRO? What are the types of accounts available in NRE NRO? All. Okay, all. NRE NRO, saving, current and FD, all the three are available over here. It is NRE NRO is always in rupees. Okay, and FCNR only FD is available, and that is never in rupees. Okay, so now what is the answer for this? A, B, C or D? Which one? Fast. A, B, C or D? Yes, the answer is D, any amount subject to usual margin requirement. So it's a normal FDOD, isn't it? So FDOD loan can be given as per the bank's process, whatever it is, right? So the margin is as per the bank's requirement. RBI doesn't interfere in this now. Okay. Second, who advises the weekly average rates for FCNRB deposits to the AD? So who gives the rates for FCNRB? Who gives the FCNRB rates? Yes, Forex Association, FEDI, Exim Bank or RBI. So FCNRB rates are always given by, correct, it's RBI. Okay, RBI always gives this FCNRB rates. If FEDI does not give the rate. Many of us feel it's given by FEDI, but FEDI advises the RBI. FEDI works under RBI. FEDI advises to RBI and the rates are received from RBI. Okay, only for this FCNR. Okay, now let's start with the theory part. Okay, correspondent banking means here our schedule for today is first two objective questions were there, then theory part, what do you mean by correspondent banking, and then we'll be solving one case study. Okay, correspondent banking means relationship between two banks which have mutual accounts with each other, or one of them having account with the other. A relationship or servicing of the bank needs as agents without having any account relationship. See here, there are three parts to this: 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so either these banks can have accounts with each other. Okay, for example, let's say SBI and Citibank. Let's say I'll write it over here: Citibank and SBI. Okay. So if Citibank maintains an account with SBI and SBI also maintains an account with Citi, so that is one point. Relationship between having mutual accounts with each other or one of them having account with other, means Citi only maintains account with SBI or SBI only maintains account with Citi. And third is relationship or and servicing of banking needs as agents without having any account relationship, means they may not have any account and they may have account in the third bank, both of them. Okay, so that is also possible. Got it? So got the meaning of this forex. Okay, yeah, move on now. Various type of bank accounts with correspondent banking. So there are basically three types of accounts. What are those? Nostro, Vostro and Loro. What is Nostro? Again, let's come back. See this, Citi and SBI. Okay, now if imagine SBI maintains a Nostro account with Citi. Okay, it maintains a dollar account with Citi. Okay, dollar, I'll call this simple dollar account. Then this account will be called as Nostro for SBI. In the books of SBI it is Nostro, but in the books of Citi it is Vostro, right? Vostro. Similarly, if Citi maintains a rupee account with SBI, suppose let's say Citi maintains a rupee account with SBI, so for Citi it will be Nostro, but SBI it will be Vostro. Got it? So understand the concept. Nostro and Vostro are not two separate accounts. These are the same account, only from whose angle you are looking at it. Okay, so Nostro means what? Our account with you, my account with you. SBI's account with Citi is called a Nostro. Citi's account with SBI is called a Nostro in the books of that bank which is having that account. Okay, who's holding that account means who's carrying that account. Okay, so SBI's account with Citi will be a Nostro in the books of SBI. Citi's bank and SBI's account with Citi will be a Vostro in the books of Citi. Okay, Vostro. Your account with us means SBI Mumbai maintaining USD account with Citibank New York is a Vostro account in the books of Citi. Correct? Simple. Loro. His account with them means third party system. His account with them means what? I'll give you an example over here. See this. It is not actually an account, but a term referring to third party account with a bank other than us. Means there is one means separate term that no banking relationship between these two exists. We are referring to some third party banking system. Okay, it's just an arrangement, but it's not an account. Okay, Citibank. Now look at this example. Citibank referring to rupee account of American Express Bank with SBI Mumbai. So that is simple one. Citibank is referring, take only this much example. Citibank referring to rupee account of Amex Bank with SBI Mumbai. So that is called as a Loro system. That's why what did I say? Loro is not an account. It is actually an arrangement. Okay. Okay. Now let me ask you one question. PNB maintaining an account with HSBC for dollars. PNB maintaining an account with HSBC for dollars is dash in the books of PNB. Is dash in the books of PNB. Give me the answer fast. Is dash in the books of PNB. What is it? Everyone type fast, type fast. PNB maintaining an account with HSBC is dash in the account in the books of PNB. Correct. It's Nostro. Got it? Now again, second. PNB maintaining an account with HSBC is dash in the books of HSBC. Is dash in the books of HSBC. Yes, it is correct. PNB maintaining account with HSBC and we are checking the books of HSBC. So it is Vostro. Okay. Okay. Now second, next question. SBI referring to Citibank that kindly debit my account with HSBC. SBI referring to Citibank that kindly debit my account with HSBC. So what is this arrangement? This is a Nostro, Vostro or Loro? Everyone fast. Yeah, it is SBI referring to Citibank that kindly debit my account with HSBC means third party bank. Okay, So what is it? Loro. Got it, everyone? Okay. What is the mirror account? See here, when a bank maintains a nostro account with a foreign bank, it has to keep an account of the same in its books. This is more or less a reflection or shadow of the nostro account. The entries in the mirror account are used for reconciliation, okay, of entries in the nostro account. The mirror account is maintained in two currencies, one in the foreign currency and other in the home currency, right? And always remember, it's a reflection. So I'll give you an important part. Debit in nostro account. See here, debit in nostro will be what in mirror? Equals to dash in mirror. Now give me the answer. Mirror account. Dash in mirror account. So what is the answer for this? Debit in nostro equals to dash in the mirror account. I'll give you the options. Debit or credit? Debit or credit? What is it in the mirror account? Debit or credit? Yes, it is credit. Mirror account is always reverse. Okay, it's like that cash book and passbook. Okay, that entries are always reverse. Got it, everyone? Okay, now the third part of our case schedule today, FCNR case study. Okay, now look at this very important case study, because it will rack your brains, it will make you think. Okay, so let's see. Everyone okay? Type yes if you are okay with this case study. If you have understood up till now, everyone understood this concept of mirror, loro, nostro, vostro and loro. Type yes. Okay, okay. So now we'll go ahead. FCNR case study. So International Bank has successfully contracted an FCNR of USD 10 million. Okay, means it has got some customer who has put an FD of USD 10 million in dollars. Okay, for 5 years. Out of these funds, the bank retains USD 4 million as deposit with a high rated US bank in nostro. So out of this 10 million, 4 million are kept by this bank in a nostro account with the US bank. Some US bank, some good bank. Is here high rated, it's stated. Okay, and converts the remaining amount to Indian currency at a prevailing USD rate of 46. So what has it done? Understand the problems here. It has received, I'll show it over here. It has received, okay, how much? 10 million USD dollar. Okay, now this is coming in plus, and what is minus? What is going out now? What is going out is two parts, right? So these two parts are 4 million are going on in nostro. So, and here 6 million are going on in rupees. They are getting converted to rupees. Okay, got it? So this 4 million is in dollars only, and this 6 million has become rupees now, right? So dollar came, here these are dollars. Dollar came, here dollar remained, here rupees, it converted to rupees. Okay, now tell me one logical question for this. Okay, give me the answer for this logically. Where the bank will face the risk, this part or this part, 4 million or 6 million? Who can give me the answer? Where will the bank face the risk for exchange risk? Okay, let me call it specifically exchange risk. Where will the bank face the exchange risk, for this 4 million or for this 6 million? Type fast. 4 million or 6 million, where will the bank face the exchange risk? Yes, it is 6 million, because 4 million is not getting converted, isn't it? $10 million received, $4 million same, dollar. What is the exchange risk? No. 6 million converted to rupees. So this is converted at what? 46. Okay, 46 rupees. So $1 equals to 46 rupees. That is the rate they have taken. Okay, now, so it has got converted to rupees now. Now imagine, I'll tell you one simple logic. Suppose if this bank wants to give back the funds to this customer along with that interest. So this bank will have to give back in what currency? It will give back in rupees or it will give back in dollars to this customer? Of course in dollars, isn't it? So okay, it will give back in what? Dollars, right? Why? Because the customer has put the funds in dollars, he will be requiring back in dollars only, right? So now what will happen? Suppose if the exchange rate tomorrow changes, see here, it has sold this currency over here, 6 million sold and rupees got. Okay, Now if this rate becomes tomorrow 50, what will happen? Then, and if this customer comes back for that $10 million, this 10 million, 4 million, it can immediately get it. But only the problem over here will be this 6 million. Suppose if this rate becomes 50, then this bank will have to purchase dollars at 50 rupees now. So it has sold at what? 46. It will have to purchase at 50. So as the rates go up, the bank will start facing losses. Okay. If the rate goes down, then the bank will be in the profit. Okay. So now, on the basis of this, give the following answers. Okay. What is the answer? Let's see. Question number 1. Foreign currency rate. If the foreign currency rate moves to 46.5, so the rate now the rate has moved to 46.5. So the bank will gain 3 million, rupees 3 million. Bank will lose rupees 3 million. Bank will gain rupees 6 million, or bank will lose rupees 6 million. Okay, now this is something difficult, right? So what is the rate now change? From 46 it has changed to 46.5. Let me remove this. Okay, 50. Let's bring our simple logic over here, whatever the problem is, right? So what has happened now? The rate has moved to 46.5, right? So 46.5, it has increased by 0.5. So 46.5. So how much will the bank lose now? 0.5 is the loss for that bank. 0.5 into 6 million, right? It will have to purchase these dollars back from the open market. So 0.5 into 6 million, it is what? 0.5 into 6 is 3 million, right? So it will be what? 3 million. So you got the answer either A or B now. Okay, either A or B. Of course C and D are out because 0.5 into 6 is 3. So what is it? Will gain or lose? Fast. A or B, A or B, A or B, fast. The answer is correct. It will lose, right? It will lose 3 million. Why? Because it will have to purchase at a higher rate. It has sold at 46, it will have to purchase at a higher rate of 46.5. Got it? So now my next question. Okay, if the rate moves from 46 to 45, okay, so bank will gain or lose in that case? If the rate moves from 46 to 45, the bank will gain or lose in that case? It will. Correct. All are typing. Type everyone. It will gain how much? That 1 rupee difference into 6 million. So 6 million will be the gain. Okay. Okay. So in this case, the answer is bank will lose 3 million. Next one. What type of position the bank is having presently after this transaction? An oversold position of USD 4 million, oversold position of USD 6 million, overbought position of USD 6 million, and none of these. So what is the answer? Okay, I'll give you a hint. A is out because oversold position of 4 million. It has not sold the dollars, right? Has it sold 4 million? No. So that is out. None of these is out. Now only B or C. Oversold position of 6 million or overbought position of 6 million. What do you say? B or C? Sorry, B or C. Only B or C. So it is oversold position. Correct. B is the answer. Oversold. It has sold it now. See this. It has sold 6 million. It had got. It has sold it in the market and got rupees. Okay. So it's a sold position. So that is the answer. Got it? So now before leaving, again I'll tell you that this new batches which have come up. BFM November 28, it has already started. You can join it now also, and also you'll get the recorded videos for that. Also there's a retail case study batch coming up on December 5. Okay, you can join for that also. Okay, and how to join this and how to get the discount? See this, use this code Y432, this code. You will get huge discounts over here. How to get the discounts? I'll show you. Okay, let's go to Adda 24/7. Okay, live. If you are having the app, I would say go on that app. Okay, in that app you will be getting all the plus additional 1% benefit in the app. Okay, so on the site I'll show you how to get it. See this, click JAIIB CAIIB, then you will be getting these batches. Okay, click on this batch, CAIIB November December English batch. Okay, now I'll show you the best. The batch is BFM is running presently. I'll show you about retail. Okay, click on this retail batch. Now read all the details here. Everything is available over there. Okay, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. English. We have added this now. 8 p.m. we have added 3 hours. Okay, it is of 2 hours, but we have made it 3 hours. It is in the 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. in the morning also, and 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. in the evening. So total 3 hours you are having it. Okay. So now what are the other things? 10 plus hours of interactive classes, mocks and ebooks, 24/7 recorded videos. So you are having everything over here. Okay. Now what about the fees? 3599 is a fees. Don't pay this much. I'll show you view offers. Put the code Y432. What is the code I told you? Y432. Put this code. So you get 80% off. See this, 3599 was now reduced to 719. So this is my target now, 719. And in how many months will you recover once you clear CAIIB? In 1 month. 1000 is the average increment, right? So you'll recover it in 1 month only. Go for it immediately. Also, I'll tell you, why should you focus on this this coming exam only, means this present going on exam only? Because May 23, check the new portion. I'll show you that also. May 23, you are having 4 compulsory papers: ABM, BFM, ABFM, and BRBL legal. Okay. Also, electives are rural, HR, IT, central banking, and risk. These are the 5 electives. Also, there is a negative marking. So why should you go for these tougher parts? Okay, join this BFM batch, retail batch, and clear it immediately. If you have cleared ABM, then it's the best thing for you. Even if you have not cleared ABM, then also you go for this BFM batch, because you can get an this advantage of this means credit of this BFM. Okay, in May 23 also. So go for it immediately. Tomorrow I'll be back with another session. Till then, bye.